Hello, I'm Krista Covey, president of First Flight Venture Center, a science-focused incubator in the Research Triangle Park. I'm reaching out to make sure early-stage, science-focused companies across North Carolina take advantage of our upcoming opportunities to increase your competitiveness to win critical non-dilutive funding. Through an SBA federal and state technology grant called FAST for short, First Flight is launching focused training not only on the SBIR, STTR grant writing, but also to build the business side of the company. Go to the First Flight Venture Center website to learn more about our first SBIR education session on December 9th, and also to apply for the 2021 FAST cohort. You can be one of the 35 companies in the cohort to experience an SBIR Grant Readiness Bootcamp and get business modeling support. All information is on our website at www.ffvcnc.org. See you there.